Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna spawn it. I'm bored. Oh shoot, what the heck? Oh shoot! Wait, I fell through the map. Oh jeez, that's fast! Make some distance, let me get this car. Holy sh! No! Okay, it's coming after me again. This time I get the car. Nah, heck no, you're not getting me. You're not getting me, bro. Oh shoot, bro, what the? Oh gosh, heck no, man. I'm gonna die. Take this one. No! Wait, hold on. Oh shoot! No! Dude! No, get it! Ah! No! Oh my! Go! Holy! Yo, just go. Oh no! Go! There's a van. Or SUV, just go, just take it. No, bro, it keeps pushing me back. I don't want to be back here, I want to go. Where do I go? Wait, I think it... Where'd it go? It's right there! I'm gonna go, just... Look it. Go! Go! I can't move! No, I can't move! Alright, we're going into spawn literally the scariest one I made. Quantum Dingle. Oh gosh. I made his view distance very low, so he doesn't just go. So, oh gosh! He's already found me! You can't hide from Quantum Dingle. He's literally flying! Where do I go? Where do I go? No! Oh, he's right there. I hear a sound. He's already found me! Ah! Get down. Oh my! Go! What the? Go, just go. Oh gosh! No! Why did I pause the game? Go! No! He's so fast! I don't know where he is. He's right there, bro. Oh, bro, what is this? You can't even turn it on. It's right there, I see him. That's him. I see him. Okay, hold on, I got over here. Bruh. Wait, where'd he go? I swear I saw him over here. Oh, he's right there! Oh, shoot! I gotta keep distance. Can he get me up here? Where do I... Get up here. Go, 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 go. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! He's lifted the whole thing. No, 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 you can't get me. He can't get me. I'm up here. Oh! You can see me from 40 meters away. Oh, gosh. Oh, bro, why is he doing that? I hate it when they do that. Let's, like, get closer to me. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Holy shoot! What the? I can't even see him. Oh my! Okay, this game is so laggy. Why is it lagging? I hear the sounds. No, no, where'd he go? Where'd he go? No! I'm going in here. I'm going in here. He's above! He's above! No! Oh my gosh! No! No, let me up! Let me up! Let me up. Okay, okay. There's no way he can get me. I'll play GMod. Or if I made this in GMod, oh my gosh, bro, nightmare fuel. He's already. Oh, how do I get out? How do I get out? Shotgun, shotgun. Wait. I heard him. This is the one area I haven't checked. Of course he's here. Ah! Go! Just go. Just go. No! No way it found me! No way he already found me! He already found me! How? Where is he? He's right there! No! I'm more than 40 meters away! No! Where'd it kill me? I forgot. Hold on. don't know where it killed me from. I was in like the lower levels. Here, yeah, I landed on there and then it killed me. It's been here. It's been here. But where'd it go? Quantum to go. Wait. The train is gone. He literally launched the train. He launched the train. Oh my. It keeps getting stuck on. Ah! Holy shoot! Go, 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 go! No! Go, 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 go! You drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it! Oh my gosh! Go! No, run, run, run! Van, van, van! Take the van, take the van, take the van. Holy shoot, go, 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 go. Go, just go! Ah, my game is still lagging. It's still lagging. Where is he? No, don't tell me he is above us. He's above! No! 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 It's pushing me through! Yeah, I made it to the roof. I'm on the roof. I'm flying! Oh, I made it! I think I escaped him.